Have you never been to Kathmandu? Here is a list of things you should not do if you do not want to make the most of your trip. Do not visit the Darbar squares if striking architecture and centuries old histories do not amuse you. Kathmandu Valley is rich in palaces that showcase intricate craftsmanship. From the temples to the courtyard and main palace buildings, all tell a centuries long history of royalty, faith and timeless architecture. Kathmandu Darbar Square, Bhaktapur Darbar Square and Patan Darbar Square are the three main palace squares of the city.
Do not hike through the surrounding hills. If you ain't a true adventurer, the top-notch city view from the peak of a hill does not excite you enough. Trek deeper into these green hills to train your muscles before a bigger adventure or just to capture the beauty of Kathmandu Valley.
Do not seek your blessings from the living goddess. Nepal is the only country that worships young girls as living goddesses. While you can find 10 of these goddesses across different parts of the country, the one residing in Kumari Ghara Basantapur is the royal one.
Do not try the local delicacies. Street food culture in Kathmandu is as vibrant as the city itself. Every nook and corner has local eateries serving the MES local dishes. From momo, choila, bara and other Newari dishes to juju dhaul, the king god in Bhaktapur, every food represents the tradition on your palate.
Enjoy a pottery session in Bhaktapur. Bhaktapur is not just a hype because of the palace square. The local lifestyle and preserved tradition equally play a role. You can be a part of it by attending a pottery session with a local vendor in Bhaktapur and making a memory that lasts a lifetime.
Do not witness magical sunrise or sunsets from Nagarkot. Only a stupid person does not love to catch the sight of a ravishing sunrise or a beautiful setting sun. If you aren't one, don't miss the opportunity to catch the ravishing sunrise or sunsets from the Nagarkot. On a clear day, you might even witness the snow-capped mountain ranges. Give your luck a chance.
Miss a visit to UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Kathmandu Valley itself is home to 7 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in Nepal, each with its own significance. Whether it's the Pashupatinath or Changunarayan Temple, showcasing the divine Hindu cultural practices, or the peace and preachings of Buddha at Swambhunath and Bauddhanath Stupa, the vibe and views you get are equally worthy.